Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the mic gain on the MOBVOI TicNote AI voice recorder. So if you want to change the mic gain of your MOBVOI TicNote, so you think that you want the microphone to be quieter or louder, this is how you do it. So the first thing is we're going to open up the TicNote app and then make sure that our voice recorder is connected to the app. So after that, we're going to press on recordings and then press on the TicNote on the top left. And then we're gonna go all the way down to mic gain. So press that and you have two options. So 24 decibels and 36 decibels. So select the option that you need and the option that you feel will help you. And after that, your settings will be saved and you can just exit out. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.